In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a website from the Plesk panel. Whether you're backing up your site or transferring files, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log in to your Plesk account. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to your Plesk control panel. You can usually do this by going to the URL provided by your hosting service, which often looks something like https://yourdomain.com 8443. If you're not sure of the exact address, check with your hosting provider for guidance. Enter your credentials, and once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of the Plesk interface. Next, we're going to access the File Manager, which is where all the files of your website are housed. On the left sidebar of your Plesk dashboard, you will see a menu. Click on Websites and Domains. This section is where you manage all the domains and associated websites you own. Look for the domain name connected to the website you're planning to download. Once you've located it, continue by selecting File Manager. After entering the File Manager, you'll need to identify the specific files and folders that constitute your website. Typically, these files are located within the HTTP docs directory, which is the root directory for your main website files. If your files are stored elsewhere, navigate to that location instead. The files you'll see are crucial to your website's functioning, so select the ones you wish to download by checking the corresponding boxes. You can select individual files or entire folders, depending on your needs. To make it easier to download those files, you'll need to create an archive. At the top of the File Manager screen, there's a toolbar. Click on the Add to Archive button, which will bring up a pop-up window. In this window, you'll be prompted to name your archive. Choose something easily recognizable, like Website Backup Zip, then hit OK. This action condenses all your selected files into a single, manageable archive. Finally, once your archive has been successfully created, the next step is to download it. Look for this new zip file within the File Manager. It should be easy to find because it will bear the name you've just given it. To download this archive to your local computer, simply click on the corresponding download icon next to the file. Your browser will typically ask you for a location to save this file. Choose a safe spot on your computer where you can easily access it. And that's it. You've now successfully downloaded your website files from the Plesk panel. Whether for backup or transfer purposes, having a local copy of your site is always a good idea. Remember to keep this backup safe and repeat this process regularly to ensure you always have an up-to-date copy of your site. Thanks for watching and happy downloading.